Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into the fabulous world of Charlie Chauhan's fashion choices. Known for her impeccable sense of style and trendsetting looks, Charlie has been a fashion icon for many. Let's take a closer look at some of her standout ensembles and the fashion statements she's made over the years. Charlie's red carpet appearances are a masterclass in sophistication. Whether she's donning a flowing gown or opting for chic separates, her choices always exude confidence and poise. Each ensemble is meticulously curated to showcase her unique personality while adhering to the latest trends. Beyond the glitz and glamour, Charlie effortlessly transitions into the realm of street style. Her off-duty looks are a blend of comfort and flair, showcasing her ability to elevate even the simplest of outfits. From oversized jackets to statement accessories, she proves that fashion knows no bounds. As a fitness enthusiast, the beauty seamlessly integrates fashion into her active lifestyle. Her workout attire is both functional and fashionable, allowing her to sweat it out in style. Whether she's hitting the gym or practicing yoga, she's always dressed to impress. In the age of digital influence, Charlie reigns supreme as a social media sensation. Her Instagram feed is a treasure trove of fashion inspiration, featuring curated looks that resonate with her followers. With each post, she solidifies her status as a modern-day style icon. What sets Charlie Chauhan apart is not just her wardrobe, but her innate ability to embrace individuality. Her fashion journey is a testament to the power of self-expression and confidence. By staying true to herself, she continues to captivate audiences with her unparalleled charm and allure. In the intricate tapestry of fashion, Charlie Chauhan stands as a beacon of elegance, weaving together threads of sophistication and innovation. Her fashion repertoire transcends geographical boundaries, celebrating diversity with every outfit. Whether she's adorned in traditional attire or experimenting with global trends, her style resonates with a universal audience. By embracing cultural fusion, she bridges the gap between different communities, fostering a sense of unity and inclusivity. While trends may come and go, her style remains timeless and enduring. She effortlessly navigates the ever-changing landscape of fashion, infusing classic silhouettes with a modern twist. Her wardrobe is a testament to the power of versatility, proving that true elegance transcends fleeting fads. At the heart of Charlie's fashion philosophy lies a commitment to empowerment and self-expression. Through her bold sartorial choices, she encourages individuals to embrace their unique identity and celebrate their journey. Whether she's gracing the red carpet or stepping out for a casual outing, she embodies the essence of confidence and authenticity. For Charlie, fashion transcends mere clothing, it is a form of artistic expression, a canvas upon which she paints her personality and creativity. Each ensemble is carefully crafted to evoke emotions, tell stories, and ignite imaginations. From bold prints to intricate textures, her wardrobe reflects an eclectic blend of artistry and ingenuity. In a world governed by convention, Charlie fearlessly pushes the boundaries of fashion, embracing risk with unbridled panache. Whether she's experimenting with avant-garde silhouettes or pioneering bold color palettes, she defies expectations and challenges norms. Her willingness to take sartorial risks not only sets her apart but also inspires countless admirers to embrace their own sense of daring. Behind every iconic look lies a collaborative effort fueled by passion and synergy. Charlie's fashion journey is enriched by creative partnerships with designers, stylists, and artisans who share her vision for sartorial excellence. Together, they breathe life into her sartorial fantasies, weaving together fabrics, textures, and ideas to create unforgettable masterpieces. Beyond the glamour of the runway, Charlie utilizes her platform to make a meaningful impact on society. Through charitable initiatives and philanthropic endeavors, she leverages the power of fashion to drive positive change and uplift communities in need. Whether she's raising awareness for social causes or supporting sustainable initiatives, her compassion and generosity shine through in every endeavor. Her approach to elegance is effortless yet impactful, redefining the standards of glamour with her innate sense of grace. Whether she graces the red carpet in a flowing gown or exudes sophistication in tailored separates, her presence radiates an understated charm that leaves a lasting impression. Her ability to effortlessly command attention without overt opulence is a testament to her timeless appeal. While Charlie remains a paragon of timeless style, she also demonstrates a keen eye for current trends, effortlessly incorporating them into her wardrobe with a personal twist. From statement accessories to cutting-edge silhouettes, she infuses her looks with a contemporary edge while staying true to her signature aesthetic. Her ability to strike a balance between trendiness and timelessness sets her apart as a true fashion maven. In her fashion journey, she pays homage to the trailblazers and icons who have paved the way for sartorial excellence. Whether channeling the timeless glamour of Audrey Hepburn or embracing the avant-garde spirit of Iris Apfel, she draws inspiration from the diverse tapestry of fashion history. By incorporating elements of iconic styles into her own wardrobe, she honors the legacy of those who came before her while carving out a unique path of her own. Beyond her native shores, her fashion influence transcends geographical boundaries, making waves across continents and cultures. From Bollywood to Hollywood, her impeccable style resonates with audiences worldwide, earning her a legion of admirers on a global scale. Her ability to connect with diverse audiences speaks volumes about the universal language of fashion and its power to unite people from all walks of life. Charli's fashion journey is a testament to the enduring allure of timeless glamour. Whether channeling the vintage sophistication of old Hollywood or embracing contemporary chic, she effortlessly captures hearts across generations. Her ability to evoke nostalgia while remaining relevant in the ever-changing landscape of fashion speaks volumes about her timeless appeal. In her quest for sartorial excellence, Charli fearlessly pushes the boundaries of fashion, experimenting with unconventional silhouettes, daring color palettes, and unexpected pairings. Her fearless approach to style serves as a beacon of inspiration for those who dare to challenge the status quo and embrace their individuality with confidence. At the heart of Charli's fashion journey lies a deep appreciation for craftsmanship and artistry. Whether adorned in bespoke creations or high-end couture, she showcases the exquisite workmanship of talented designers from around the world. Each garment tells a story of meticulous attention to detail, unparalleled craftsmanship, and a passion for the art of fashion. Her style has evolved over the years, reflecting her personal growth, changing tastes, and evolving sensibilities. From her early days as a budding starlet to her current status as a seasoned fashionista, she has embraced each phase of her journey with grace and poise. Her willingness to embrace change while staying true to her core values is a testament to her resilience and adaptability. Charli's ability to effortlessly exude chuckness in her everyday attire is a testament to her innate sense of style. Whether she's strolling down the streets or attending casual gatherings, she infuses her looks with an understated elegance that commands attention without being ostentatious. From tailored blazers to flowy dresses, her wardrobe staples redefine the notion of casual sophistication. In a world cluttered with excess, the beauty stands out for her mastery of minimalist fashion. Her penchant for clean lines, muted tones, and understated accessories speaks volumes about her refined taste and appreciation for simplicity. Through her minimalist ensembles, she proves that less is indeed more, captivating audiences with her effortlessly chic aesthetic. While Charli is known for her timeless elegance, she also delights in infusing her wardrobe with whimsical touches that add a dash of playfulness to her looks. Whether it's a quirky accessory, a bold pattern, or a statement piece of jewelry, she embraces whimsy with open arms, injecting her outfits with personality and charm. Her ability to balance sophistication with a hint of whimsy sets her apart as a true fashion connoisseur. One of her most remarkable qualities is her ability to seamlessly transition between different style aesthetics with effortless flair. From classic sophistication to edgy streetwear, she fearlessly explores diverse fashion realms, showcasing her versatility and adaptability. Her chameleon-like ability to reinvent her look while staying true to her essence is a testament to her unparalleled fashion acumen. Her fashion repertoire extends beyond the realms of convention, as she fearlessly explores avant-garde aesthetics with unparalleled gusto. From daring silhouettes to unconventional pairings, she pushes the boundaries of traditional fashion, forging a path of innovation and creativity. Her avant-garde adventures serve as a testament to her bold spirit and unwavering commitment to artistic expression. In the realm of ethereal elegance, Charli reigns supreme, captivating hearts with her graceful demeanor and refined sensibilities. Her wardrobe is adorned with delicate fabrics, intricate lacework, and flowing silhouettes that evoke a sense of timeless beauty and sophistication. Each ensemble is a masterpiece of craftsmanship, exuding an otherworldly charm that leaves admirers spellbound. Charli's discerning taste and impeccable style have cemented her status as a haute couture connoisseur of unparalleled distinction. From the runways of Paris to the ateliers of Milan, she selects the crème de la crème of designer creations, adorning herself in luxurious fabrics, exquisite embellishments, and impeccably tailored pieces. Her affinity for haute couture reflects her appreciation for the finer things in life and her commitment to sartorial excellence. At the heart of Charli's fashion philosophy lies a celebration of femininity in all its forms, soft, strong, and unapologetically authentic. Her wardrobe is a testament to the beauty of womanhood, featuring delicate florals, romantic silhouettes, and subtle nods to classic femininity. Through her fashion choices, she empowers women to embrace their unique essence and celebrate the inherent grace and strength within. Her fashion influence knows no bounds, transcending geographical borders and captivating audiences on a global scale. From the bustling streets of Mumbai to the fashion capitals of the world, her impeccable style resonates with admirers far and wide. With each ensemble, she effortlessly bridges cultural divides, celebrating diversity and fostering a sense of unity through the universal language of fashion. In the digital age, Charli emerges as a visionary force, harnessing the power of social media to shape and redefine fashion trends. Through her captivating posts and curated content, she inspires millions of followers to embrace their unique style and express themselves authentically. Her digital presence not only amplifies her influence but also democratizes fashion, making it accessible to enthusiasts from all walks of life. At the core of her style ethos lies a fearless spirit that dares to defy conventions and push the boundaries of fashion. Whether she's experimenting with avant-garde designs or pioneering bold new trends, she does so with unwavering confidence and grace. Her willingness to take risks sets her apart as a true trailblazer, inspiring others to embrace their individuality and express themselves boldly through fashion. Throughout her illustrious career, Charli's style has undergone a remarkable evolution, reflecting her personal growth and evolving tastes. From her early days as a fresh-faced starlet to her current status as a seasoned fashion icon, she has gracefully adapted to changing trends while staying true to her distinctive aesthetic. Her style evolution serves as a testament to her versatility and ability to reinvent herself with effortless sophistication. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.